Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is Thursday, March 7th, 2024. Love those magnets for scar tissue. Quick story, my horse, Dakota, took the fence down, and he pulled the ligaments in his left fetlock. This is a very serious injury, and he was in pain, and it went on and on. Long story short, we got magnets for him, and within 6 weeks of putting those magnets on his fetlock, number one, he wasn't lame anymore. Number two, the bone chips were gone. And what I did was you put the magnets on for a year because I was afraid that if I took the magnets off, that calcium and arthritis would get into that joint. So I used the magnets for 1 year, and then at the end of the year, I'm like, what happened to his leg? All the scar tissue is gone. It was wonderful. Here we're featuring Romeo. We featured him early in the week. What his scar tissue doing due to a traumatic injury. So we use MLD, lymphatic balance, grooming, and magnetic therapy. I think it worked wonderful. So if you're interested or have any questions about becoming an equine lymphatic therapist, email me at info@healequine.com. Better yet, go to the website, take a look at healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. Dare to make a difference. Why? Because we can in 2024. Believe in the possible.